Mastering homophones and homonyms. Tips and tricks for non-native English speakers. Hello, language learners. Today we're diving into the challenging but fascinating world of English homophones and homonyms. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings, while homonyms are words that are spelled and pronounced the same but have different meanings. These can be tricky, especially for non-native English speakers, but fear not. We've got some effective strategies to help you master them. In English, context is often key. Recognizing the context in which a word is used can greatly assist in distinguishing between homophones and homonyms. For example, the word lead can be a noun referring to a type of metal, or a verb meaning to guide or direct. From the sentence, the leader will lead the team to success, it's clear from the context that the second, lead, is a verb. A good way to practice is to create sentences that use both meanings of a homophone or homonym. This helps you not only remember the different meanings, but also see how they can be used in context. For example, with the homophone, bear, and bear. I can't bear to see the bare tree without its leaves. Another strategy is to use visual memory aids. If you're a visual learner, drawing pictures or using images that represent the different meanings of homophones or homonyms can be very helpful. As with any language learning, regular practice is essential. Make it a habit to learn a few new homophones and homonyms each week, and regularly review the ones you've already learned. Mastering homophones and homonyms can seem daunting, but with these strategies and consistent practice, you'll be well on your way to understanding and using them correctly. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. Happy learning, and see you in our next lesson.